folks, it's time for 112 Auto Sales. Today I'd like to do a virtual walk around for you on a 2008 Toyota Tundra. It's got 118,000 miles on it. It's part of our in-house financing program known as Buy Here, Pay Here. If you have any interest in it, please call us at 475-5980. Really clean truck. It's got a bed liner. Runs real well. Everything works. It's got AC. Everything works. The ceiling really clean. Got a hitch. There's your bed liner. There you go, folks. Just a real clean Tundra. We're here 7 days a week. Come on down. Ask for Tom, Nick, Paul, JC. We're very flexible, easy to work with. We'll take a job letter for proof of employment, tax IDs. If you can't get full coverage insurance, we've got a program for you. So come on down and see us and take this baby for a ride.